We are going to start with chapter 1, and in this part we're going to talk about the cost of plant assets. Plant assets are assets that usually have four main characteristics. First, it's used in the operation of the company. It's not intended for sale to the customers. It has a long life, and of course, it's tangible assets. In this chapter, I'm going to talk about four different types of plant assets, and that is the land improvement, building, and equipment. Plant assets are recorded according to the cost principle. That means that when the company purchases a plant asset, it needs to be recorded in its journal based on the cost, the original cost. That is all the expenditures that the company needs to pay in order for the asset to be ready for use. It's usually recorded at the debit side when it's purchased, and of course if the company is paying the amount in cash, the cash of the company is decreasing, and thus it needs to be recorded in the credit side. Or we can record it as a payable, accounts payable or notes payable, in case the plant asset was purchased on account. Here we have a list of all the costs that is included in the land improvement, the building, and the equipment, in case you need to recognize the total amount of the cost. This is the solution for the exercise found on page 4, and here this exercise shows you how to differentiate between the costs included for the land and the costs included for the land improvement. If we add up all the costs included in the land, we will get an amount of $50,000. So the cost of the land is $50,000, and it's recorded in the debit side because the company purchased the land, and the company paid the amount cash, so the cash of the company is decreasing, and thus it needs to be recorded in the credit side. Regarding the land improvement, we need to add all the costs included in the land improvement, and we will have an amount of $32,500, which is debited, and the company paid the amount as cash, so the cash of the company decreased, and it's recorded in the credit side. On pages 6 and 7, we have an exercise related to the building and an exercise related to the equipment.